Today, we are thrilled to unveil a vehicle that doesn't just turn heads, it redefines expectations. A bold fusion of French charisma, cutting-edge innovation, and unmistakable style. It's one of our proudest examples of Peugeot design. The 408 is serious about standing out, packaged for professionals and designed to captivate those who are discerning about style and individuality. With its dynamic fastback lines, the new 408 is elegant, yet assertive, with a striking new front and rear-light signature combination. But 408 is not only about design and style. At Peugeot, we're serious about pleasure. So let's share a moment of pleasure together. It's time to create the next wow. So let's discover the new Peugeot 408. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the new Peugeot 408. So as you can see, more than ever, the 408 stands out. And I hope it has generated the same wow effect on you that it has on me. Let's discover the 408 in more detail with Peugeot's product director, Agnès Tesson-Faget. Agnès.
Thank you. Merci, Alain. The new 408 is a flagship model in the Peugeot range, the strongest expression of our commitment to deliver driving pleasure. A model designed and assembled in Mulhouse, France. More than just a car, it exemplifies Peugeot French charisma. You may recognize this striking front face from another Peugeot model produced in Mulhouse. Of course, I'm talking about the new 308 and the new 308 SW, revealed just a few months ago, that you now see beside me for the first time in Belgium. On the new 408, we've enhanced its unique character and modernity. This bold, fastback crossover combines elegance, dynamism, driving pleasure, and of course, everyday comfort. With the new 408, we wanted to reaffirm more than ever the boldness and the French charisma of Peugeot design. At the front, a spectacular interpretation of Peugeot's iconic three-claw lighting signature. They are connected by an elegant strip of LED lines poised just above the now illuminated Peugeot emblem. To reinforce the character and stance of the new Peugeot 408 further, the designers have reworked the grille itself and the front bumper. At the rear, the new 408 is the very first model in the range to feature illuminated Peugeot lettering. Integrated, along with the three-claw LED lights, into a clear lens strip that spans the car's width. Now, talking of light, let's take a look at this incredible body color. I'm talking about the brand new flare green. It is sophisticated, exclusive color that plays with reflections and tones. A deep green in the shade, and the color shifts in bright lights. The new Peugeot 408 combines the sleek, sporty profile with a raised driving position. Its low height and wide track ensures dynamic road handling, true to Peugeot's driving pleasure. And driving pleasure at Peugeot, of course, it's the iCockpit, with its compact steering wheel that gives a real sense of agility. In the new 408, we have new 3D graphic design to the cluster. Driving pleasure also, thanks to a full range of electric and electrified powertrains. The new E408, 100% electric, delivering 213 horsepower, and consumption limited to just 14.7 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers, and a range of 456 kilometers. Versatility, with the 408 plug-in hybrid 240, delivering 240 horsepower, capable of driving 85 kilometers in full electric mode in the city. The 4.8 Hybrid 145, both pleasant and economical, with an average consumption of just 5 liters per 100 kilometers, and the ability to drive full electric mode up to 50% of the time in urban areas. The new Peugeot 408 isn't just for the driver. It's also a true lounge for its passengers. Alcantara, Napa leather, and genuine aluminum trim. Comfort 35 seats, reinforced glazing, and higher trims, a Focal Premium Hi-Fi system. Thanks to its 2.79 meters long wheelbase, the new Peugeot 408 offers exceptional rear passenger space, the most spacious Peugeot model for rear occupants. The boot is equally spacious, offering up to 536 liters. With the rear bench folded down, cargo capacity reaches more than 1,600 liters. Always connected with the My Peugeot app, allowing remote control of many features such as vehicle-to-load functionality. This allows users to power external devices, the car's high-voltage battery. The new battery preconditioning function, which works in combination with the trip planner. It allows the battery to be brought to an optimal temperature for charging, particularly beneficial in cold weather. Finally, as with all Peugeot models, the new 408 is covered by up to 8 years Peugeot Care warranty across all powertrains. Merci.
Thank you, Agnès. Thank you. So the Peugeot 408 is serious about standing out. A bold statement of Peugeot's design, a fusion of French charisma, innovation, and driving pleasure that redefines expectations in the C-segment mainstream market. Characteristics that have proven the 408 as one of Peugeot's most international cars with proven success in markets such as Turkey. The new 408 is poised and ready to continue this success. From its unexpected fastback silhouette and illuminated lighting signature, its electrified powertrains and redefined interior, the 408 embodies the spirit of Peugeot, a daring design, lounge-like comfort, and unforgettable driving sensations. We hope this premiere has sparked a wow moment for you, and thank you for joining us here in Brussels and online from around the world. See you soon. Thank you.